Hello, my name is Daniel Melton, Fire Chief of Bandys Fire Department. The purpose of this video is to walk you through the agility test for the new hire process. All applicants for the position of firefighter engineer must complete a fit for duty agility test. All applicants will sign a hold harmless agreement prior to participation. This will be a timed pass-fail event. Faster or slower times will not be considered nor compared to other candidates. Candidates will be walked through the entire course by a proctor before their official run. During this time, questions will be answered. Once your official test has begun, the proctor will only point you to the next station and instruct you on what is written below. Your vitals will be obtained prior to the test for safety. The attire for the new hire agility test will be as follows. Applicants should wear appropriate gym or workout attire with closed-toe shoes. Any applicant who does not have closed-toed shoes will receive a failure and will be dismissed from the process. The applicants will wear a weighted vest of 40 pounds, gloves, and a helmet. The applicant can supply their own gloves if they desire. The allotted time for the test is a maximum of 8 minutes. The agility test is as follows. Station 1, equipment carry. Applicants will start by picking up 2 saws and carry them 25 feet around a cone and return them to the starting position for a total of 50 feet. No running is permitted during this portion of the test. Any drop or setting down of the equipment for a regrip will constitute as a warning. A second regrip will result in a failure. After completion of this task, a 20-foot walk to the next station. Station 2, charged hose drag. Applicants will pick up the hose in any fashion of their choosing and pull the hose 100 feet between 2 cones. Applicants cannot pick up the hose past the 8-foot mark on the hose. This is the only station where running will be permitted. After completion, a 20-foot walk to the next station. Station 3, raising a 16-foot ladder. Applicants will approach a roof ladder that is laying flat on the ground. Applicants can use any controlled manner to raise the ladder. Any loss of control, dropping of the ladder will result in a warning. A second loss of control or drop will result in a failure. The applicant will adjust the ladder to the appropriate climbing angle. The applicant will not lower the ladder, leave it in place. After completion, a 20-foot walk to the next station. Station 4, Kaiser sled. Applicants will pick up the supplied sledgehammer and strike the sled between their legs until the sled reaches the end of the track. No hooking and pulling of the sled will be allowed. Loss of control of the hammer will result in a warning. A second loss of control of the hammer will result in a failure. After completion, there will be a 20-foot walk to the next station. Station 5, dummy drag. Applicants will drag a dummy 20 feet around a cone and return to the start for a total of 40 feet. Applicants can drag the dummy in any way, and there will be an unlimited amount of regrips. A proctor will place their hand on or near your back to help direct you. If a fall occurs, the proctor will not assist you. After completion, a 20-foot walk to the next and final station. Station 6, high-rise hose carry. Applicants will pick up and carry a 100-foot 1 3/4 high-rise pack and carry it around the entire fire station. There will be 2 cones for a start and finish point. Running is not permitted at any time during this station. If an applicant drops the hose bundle, they will receive a warning. After a second drop, the applicant will receive a failure. Once the applicant crosses the 2 cones, their time will be stopped and the test is completed. Once you have completed your test, the equipment will be removed from the applicant, and the applicant will be escorted by the proctor to the rehab area. Applicants will be shown and told their time. Vitals will be reassessed for your safety. Once the candidate's vitals return to normal levels, the candidate will be allowed to participate in a practice scenario for the pump test. The pump test will be set up identically to testing day. The purpose of this is for the candidates to familiarize themselves with the department's equipment. The candidate will have 30 minutes to ask questions and participate in a practice test. The results of this practice will not be recorded. At this time, the applicant can ask any questions about the equipment and the testing standards outlined in the pump test instructions in the application packet. We encourage every applicant to take full advantage of this time. At the 30-minute timer, the candidate will be removed from the testing area and dismissed. Thank you for your interest in Bandys Fire Department, and we look forward to seeing you on testing day.